Hi friends, in our previous lessons, I explained how to set up a big IP device on VMware Workstation. In this lesson, I will show you how to install on ESXi. Here, let's click on Create Register VM on the ESXi homepage. Here, let's select the Deploy Virtual Machine option. Let's say Next. Here, let's select the OVA file that we downloaded on the F5 site. Here I choose version 16.11 and say Install. Let's give our device a name here. Let's continue by clicking Next. Let's choose the hard disk we will install here. Let's say Next. Let's accept the license agreement and say Next. Here we will set our interfaces. Here on the management side, we will use our management VLAN. This will be the 1.0 interface on the F5 side. This will be the 1.1 interface. This will be the 1.2 interface. This will be the 1.3 interface. I choose external VLAN because I will be using external in 1.1. I will use internal VLAN in 1.2. In the high availability section, we will use the high availability VLAN. Here I say Next by disabling Power On automatically. I perform the import process by clicking Finish. You can follow the import process here. Now the import process is finished, let's check the network settings again. Now let's go to our device and check the network settings, then let's start the installation by Power On our device. Now I came to the settings page of our device. Let's check the network settings by saying Edit from here. Our first interface here will be Ethernet 0 on the F5 side. Our second adapter here will be 1.1 on the F5 side. We will use interface 1.1 in external network. The network 3 adapter here corresponds to 1.2 on the F5 side. We will use the internal VLAN at 1.2. Network adapter 4 corresponds to interface 1.3 on F5 side. Here we will use the high availability interface. Let's save our settings by clicking Save. After checking our interfaces, we can start the installation by saying Power On. I'm not going on because I told you what's next in our previous lessons. We will do the same things we did in our previous lesson. That's all we will tell you in this lesson. See you in our next lesson. Goodbye.